You're watching the news. It's another busy day in the city. There's traffic to monitor, crowds to manage, and a never-ending stream of data to process. But this time, there's a twist. Helping to keep the peace is an unlikely new recruit, a robot. Not just any robot, a futuristic-looking rolling sphere. Yeah, seriously, a ball. But don't let its spherical shape fool you. This little ball is packed with cutting-edge technology. Let's roll back the curtain on what this robot is all about. We'll tell you how it works, why police are using it, and what some people are worried about. So sit tight and get ready to explore the intriguing world of robotic canines. Wait a minute. What is that weird, futuristic-looking ball thingy? Well, it's not a children's toy or an experimental aircraft part. It's actually a state-of-the-art robotic patrol system designed to assist law enforcement in various tasks. Unlike traditional patrol cars, this spherical bot offers a unique set of capabilities that could revolutionize the way police operate. So what exactly does this robot do? In short, it patrols, observes, and reports. It's equipped with advanced AI, cameras, and sensors to monitor activity, detect potential threats, and relay information to human officers in real time. With its compact ball shape, it can navigate crowded areas, tight spaces, and even challenging terrains with ease. And unlike its four-legged counterparts, it won't be joining the canine unit anytime soon. This robot is more of a lone wolf, operating independently to support and assist human officers rather than working alongside them directly. How does it work? That's the million-dollar question, or maybe $1 billion question given the cost of such technology. Inside the robot's smooth shell lies a sophisticated motorized gyroscope system that enables it to move, well, like a ball. It can roll, tumble, and even balance itself on uneven surfaces. Seriously, it's like watching a real-life cartoon character in action. But don't be fooled by its seemingly simple movements. This robot is packed with advanced technology. For starters, it has a 360-degree camera system that allows it to capture everything around it without any blind spots. Plus, it can detect objects, recognize faces, and even read license plates. Thanks to its onboard AI, it can analyze the data it collects in real time, identifying potential threats or suspicious activities and alerting the authorities. When it comes to navigation, this robot is a pro. It can plan its route autonomously, avoiding obstacles and finding the most efficient path to its destination. And yes, it can climb stairs, although it might take a few attempts. But what about the elephant in the room? How do police use this technology? Well, the possibilities are pretty endless. These robots are being tested for non-confrontational tasks like crowd monitoring during large events, observing traffic patterns, or even keeping an eye on construction sites. They can also patrol areas with dangerous substances or hazardous materials, collecting air samples and analyzing the data to identify leaks or spills. And in high-risk situations where human officers might be in danger, these robots can serve as the eyes and ears on the ground, providing valuable information without putting anyone in harm's way. But it's not all smooth sailing. As with any new technology, there are concerns. Some worry that these robots are a sign of a dystopian future, where humans are replaced by machines. Others are concerned about the potential for misuse, such as using the robots for mass surveillance, or in situations where they could escalate tensions rather than de-escalate them. These concerns are not unfounded. The use of robots in law enforcement raises complex ethical questions about privacy, data security, and the role of technology in society. We live in an age where data is king, and these robotic patrol systems collect a lot of it. Facial recognition, license plate tracking, movement patterns, even voice recognition. All of this data can be stored and analyzed to create a detailed profile of individuals. It's a slippery slope. Once we start down that road, where do we draw the line? And who's to say that this technology won't fall into the wrong hands? At the end of the day, only time will tell how these robotic patrol systems evolve and how they shape the future of law enforcement. One thing is for sure, though, the rise of the robotic canines is just beginning. So what do you think? Are these robotic patrol systems a glimpse into a smarter, safer future, or a step towards a robotic police state? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more updates on artificial intelligence, robotics, and the latest tech news. Thanks for watching. Till next time.